HTML allows us to create three different kinds of lists: ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. Let's understand all of these with examples. Ordered list. This is a list that allows us to mention our list items in order. And here's an example. To become a web designer, you need to learn 1 HTML, 2 CSS, 3 JavaScript, 4 Photoshop, 5 typography. We see that the list items have prescribed order beginning from 1 up until 5. Next, the unordered list. In this list, the list items do not have a prescribed order and therefore are represented with the bullets. Here's an example. Adobe offers many web design softwares, and below we have mentioned 5 of those softwares. And since there's no point in numbering these softwares, so we have just given them the bullet points. This is the use of an unordered list. Coding the list is as easy as it gets. Let's have a look at the HTML markup for the ordered list first. We enclose all the list contents inside the opening and closing OL tags. The opening OL tag marks the beginning of the ordered list. Then we enclose our individual list items inside the LI elements. And inside these elements, we write our list items. And if the list has some sort of descriptive heading, that is placed right after the opening OL tag. The code for unordered list is exactly the same as the ordered list. The only difference is that the opening and closing tag for the unordered list is UL instead of OL. Except this, everything else is the same. I'm not going to code these lists in the editor. Do it yourself, and if any problem arises, consult this video, else consult me. Alright, third type of list is called the definition list. We shall understand its code in the next section of HTML, along with the nested list. Any of the three kinds of lists can be turned into a nested list. The method of nested list is used for creating list within a list. We'll see how the nested list looks when we'll code it in the next section. Until then, thanks for watching.